Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to improve gaming performance on OPPO Reno13 FS. Let's begin! In order to improve your gaming performance on any OPPO phone, it's actually pretty funny because most of the games should be automatically optimized. However, if you are not sure if this is really the case, we can go into the games application. This is a built-in application that should be on any OPPO phone, and then you want to go to click these three dots in the top right corner and go into settings. In the settings we have all kinds of settings that you have, and if you want to configure your gaming performance, you want to make sure that Game Toolkit is enabled. And if you scroll all the way down, we also have something that's called auto resolution and championship mode. The championship mode is pretty funny because, as you can see, we can't really enable it nor disable it because it will automatically work in the background if we enable it via the Game Toolkit. So here we have the whole list of basically how it improves our performance. So not only it's blocking all kinds of things like notifications, alarms, banners or calls, but also it's going to do a breakthrough of our performance. It will stable the refresh rate, clear background applications automatically, and any other cool stuff. And the auto resolution option is pretty cool. Unfortunately, it's not working. It doesn't really work with all the games. But basically, whenever your phone heats up, then the auto resolution option should automatically lower the resolution and also probably the refresh rate too, in order to counter this high temperature. If you really want to have stable gaming performance, I can't really advise you to turn it off, because then you might have trouble with lags, because if your phone is too hot, then your games might crash, for example. So it's completely up to you in order to have it enabled or disabled. Usually I would tell you to have it enabled anyway, because as you can see, not all the games are supported by this, so you won't even see that other games lose their resolution whenever you're playing them. But anyway, let's keep that on, and now let's go into some gaming, shall we? If we go into any game, really, though these games are pretty bad, like, oh my god, I hate them so much. Oh goodness gracious. Most of these games are actually pre-made garbage, and it comes when you're installing your device. The must play section is just bad. So, it's pretty bad. However, we can go and enter any kind of game. For example, we'll go in... Well, let's go with the Bubble Pop. And we have that the game engine is turned on. As you can see now, we have this little bar right here. And if we enable it, we have our Game Toolkit that we enabled before. Currently, it is set to balance mode. If we scroll to the left and switch in order to change to low power mode, our performance will be lower. However, the battery and basically everything else will work smoother. We won't lose as much battery. The phone will not heat up as much, etc., etc. However, if you're really going for the performance, we can scroll to the right and go with Pro Gamer mode. Then the AI Hyper Boost will probably, get going, and it won't even bother to think about battery. It will just use as much as it needs in order to let you have a smooth experience. And lastly, we have championship mode that I was showcasing you earlier. So all you have to do is just enable it, and we can go and press get started. And now we are currently in the championship mode. So now we don't really have, we can't really leave the game at all. We can leave the championship mode if we just scroll here. We can hit exit, or we can just Yeah, we do want to exit. Yeah, we have exited championship mode, and now I can go back to, you know, scroll through our notifications or whatever you like. So as you can see, this is how you can improve your gaming performance via OPPO phone. You can usually do that in any game. It's not something you set up in the settings and you forget about it. You can just go into like something, for example, oh my god, this game, and also the game engine will turn on automatically, so your game will still be optimized automatically, but you can improve the stabilization furthermore by going from balance mode to pro gamer mode, and then if you really want that performance, to go to championship mode. But yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.